Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can add clickable link or clickable button on Canva presentation and download as a PDF. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take quickly one PDF templates. Okay, so I just take this one, start a business, go to the customizations, and here you can see these PDF templates as open. You can also take the normal presentation like this presentation, and you need to download as a PDF, because if you want clickable link you need to download that document as a PDF. Okay, so let me show in this. Okay, here on third page, okay, on first page, here's the link you can see. So I just zoom in. Okay, this is a link or text, whatever. So I just add text here, Netcast website. Okay, and just enter the text where you want to add the link, or you can also insert the button if you want. You can go to the elements and search for button. Yeah, website button. Okay, so here you can see you can insert this and set here whatever when. Okay, select your place and set here. Adjust the place like this. You can also increase decrease the size of the buttons. Okay, so here for text you can select the text like this. Okay, you can change the, you can give the effects, like you can give the background color. Okay, from here you can choose the background color like white, and change the text color to dark blue to look like it's linked. Okay, or you can also change that letter spacing if you want, letter line spacing or letter spacing, whatever you want you can do this. Now select the that text, just double click on it and select all. Here you can see this link option, just click on that link, and here you need to add the link like this. You can also copy paste the link. Okay, and here just done. Now this is a link, this is a text, and this is a link display. Okay, and just click done. Okay, so if you choose inbuilt, then the link section will be visible here, like the display of this link will be visible here. So you choose link only, so link will be add here. Okay, like this, the link has been added. You need to choose this option only. For button, just select the button, go to the three dot option, go to the link. Here you need to insert the link, and done. Now it's button is linked. Now you need to go to share and download is as a PDF only. Standard, select all pages, or you can select this particular page like page number 2 or page number 1 and just download it. Let me show you the link, it is working or not. So this is a page where you put the link. You can see this link are working, and you can see this button link also working. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.